Jack Canfield said that research now seems to indicate that 1 hour of inaction is worth 7 hours of out in the world action. Think about that. You are working too hard. Jack Canfield is the co-author of The Chicken Soup for the Soul. Once he tells a story of a chiropractor who went into his dream city near Pebble Beach and asked chiropractor associate if they could hire them. They told him no, because they had one chiropractor for every 8 patients. Instead of letting his external reality, which was out of his control, determine his future, he went back to visualize and think about it, and something would come to him. He put a pen in his new office one day and put concentric circles that he needed to go ask people in town that he was opening a new chiropractor office and if they were interested in joining. You know what happened? Over 6 months, he knocked on 12,500 doors, talked to 6,500 people, and gathered over 4,000 names to the people who wanted to go to his open house. Then he opened his chiropractor in a town he was told there was too many chiropractors. And in his first month in practice, he netted $72,000. And in his first year in practice, his gross income was over $1 million in income. Oh my gosh! And now you might look at this and say, knocking on 12,500 doors is hard work. To you it is, but to the man, it was probably effortless. Why? Jack Canfield says there are 2 types of action, outer and inner. Outer action is actually going out to do the action, whether it is networking with people, going door to door to make a sale, or just writing at home. And inner action is other things like visualization, meditation, and affirmations. If you're trying to force your way into taking action, it could be a sign that you are working too hard Most people won't wake up and waste an hour visualization, meditating, or affirming. And the first thing they think about is asking, what do I need to do today? And when they get the answer that what they need to do today, they feel miserable, as if their work suddenly weighs them down. Canfield says that if you spend time to focus on your goals, you receive good feelings. The feelings that help you to feel inspired and motivated to take real action. Don't try to paddle upstream. That's just basically going every day saying to yourself that you need to force yourself to work every day. Instead, paddle along the stream of the river. The point is, trust yourself and let your environment work in your favor. And spend a little bit of time putting yourself in a state before you work. Inspiration will come to you from different ways, inside and out, and give you the motivation to guide yourself towards reaching your dreams.